Clint from Pik Rite here. Wanted to show off this unique piece that we just got finished up. Little Peterbilt 537 customer brought into us. Real nice setup. Customer's running a fleet of these trucks already. They were originally designed up Long Island, Judge Coleman. Don't know a lot of the history, but this concept with the tank and the flatbed in the back and the lift gate, toolboxes. So he had some of these already, wanted them to be replaced. So starting to work on replacing them. So we basically copied that design for the customer and put it all together. So real nice 3-compartment stainless steel. This complete body is full stainless steel, running 300, 500, and 900. 3-compartment tank, lift gate, of course hitch, backup camera, floodlights in the back, toolboxes pretty well mirror on the same side. But all in all, it's just a really unique piece, but customer had them, it works well for them. That's what they want to keep running. So we made a couple changes, some updates obviously, but all in all, pretty well their design that working backwards from there. So just another example of what we can do. You know, if it's a piece that fits your operation, something you need to look at keeping, give us a holler, see if we can help you out. Have a great day.